You're up next, you know that. You know that. I have to say that there are people who can do action, Samantha, and then there are people who can, like I said, right at the top of this, seriously kick ass. How can we forget The Family Man Season 2? Ladies and gentlemen, she was just beyond incredible in that show. How does it feel to be this badass, action-loving spy?
I would never have imagined that I could do action. But today for me, just being here at this event is already such a victory for me, because till the last moment I really didn't think that I could do it. I didn't think that I would be a part of this, of Citadel and Honey Bunny. And I'm just extremely grateful to Raj, DK, Sita and Amazon for really coming to my rescue. You know, instead of, I just had to prep to be physically even on shoot. So I'm just so incredibly proud already that this is the way it is, the way it looks. I can't even believe this is how it looks.
Firstly, very good afternoon to everyone. I still remember 2022 when I was here. I was quite nervous when we announced the show on the stage, not knowing what I was getting into. It was a completely new space. But being here now, celebrating the show, feels so good. What led me to taking up Doota is, I think, the character Sagar itself. Vikram had written so many lovely layers to it. There's good, bad, and so much in between. So as an actor, it was quite a challenging experience and a challenging part to take on. And Karan, I remember last time when I was on stage, you said, yeah, it is horrifying to be a part of a horror show, but even more horrifying producing it and when it doesn't work. Yeah. But
trust me, I know, I have experience.
Yeah. So fortunately, we're here celebrating it. Thank you so much, Aparna, for supporting us and, you know, laying out the stage for us. Thank you, Sharath. Thank you, Vikram, and to the entire team. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Look at. Well, if that. No.
I think everyone should touch Karan's feet.
I don't want to be aged here, please.
Mike, I'm
fighting my midlife crisis. I don't need you all to put me in my place. Thank you very much.
Mike, I don't think you realize how old Karan is because he does a great job with his dermatologist.
I've done a what job?
You got great skin, I'm saying.
ఇప్పుడు ఆపరేషన్ లేకుండానే మోకాళ్లకు ప్లాస్మా ట్రీట్మెంట్. మీ ఆర్థోపెడిక్ సమస్యలన్నిటికీ రోబోటిక్ టెక్నాలజీ ద్వారా తక్కువ ఖర్చుతో శాశ్వత పరిష్కారం. ఫ్రీ కన్సల్టేషన్. ప్రతి ట్రీట్మెంట్ పై 20% డిస్కౌంట్. ఈ ఆఫర్ కొద్ది రోజులు మాత్రమే. త్వరపడండి. V9 హాస్పిటల్స్ 9281 465 842.